kids! Welcome back to another episode of English Grammar. Today, we will talk about doing words, also known as verbs. If you remember, we've already talked about nouns and many other different types of words. Now, what are doing words? Doing words are the words that tell us what persons, animals, or things do. Let's take a simple example. If you are watching this video right now, that means your doing word, your action, or your verb is watching. If you are running, then your doing word becomes running. If you are sleeping, then your doing word or your verb is sleeping. Isn't that easy? Now let's look at some examples. You have the first example. I like chocolates. I know you all like chocolates. But first let's find out the doing word in this sentence. I like chocolates. So you have the word like in between to show an action. The action here is your liking for the chocolates. Right? Let's look at another example. We have Samarth drinks milk. Can you guess the doing word in this? What do you think? Is it milk? Is it Samarth? The answer is drinks. That is the doing word. Now I think you can easily complete the rest of the exercises with the help of your teacher. I hope that was easy for you to understand. Do let us know in the comments below. I'll see you in the next class then. Bye-bye. Take care.